Hello everyone, welcome back to Lemon Solution. In this video, we'll discuss how to resolve Instagram try again later error. So let's get started. Most of the time, the problem is caused when you follow too many people at the same time. As according to Instagram policy, following more than 50 people at a time can result in blocking your account. So try to not follow or unfollow too many people at a time. Let us discuss how you can resolve this issue. First of all, you need to press on Instagram, click on eye icon, go to storage and caches, click on clear caches here. Now open your Instagram app. If you still see the problem here, then try uninstalling your app. Uninstallation of Instagram app solves many of the problem. Perhaps this problem might get solved, but if you still can't solve this problem by uninstalling the app, then open Instagram, go to profile section, click on menu bar, go to settings, now help, report a problem, once again report a problem. Here you can describe your problem briefly. And apart from that, you can also take a screenshot by clicking on take a screenshot. Once you are done with this, click on submit. After submitting this, Instagram will reach out to you within next 48 hours if there's problem from its side. So this was the video. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.